basically, today I'm gonna be changing this clutch, because if you see it snapped here, so I have to replace all that. On the 80, 70 is still running good. All right, this is the 80. I'm gonna change the clutch cable because it snapped. I bought a new perch for it, this whole deal. I don't know if I'll put that on. I probably will. I don't know, I don't really want it to mismatch this one, but I don't know, we'll see if I have to. It's getting late, so I don't know. I wanted to change the oil and all that in the 80, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to all that tonight. I'm gonna pull these plastics off so I can get a proper route for the clutch cable. All right, this is the clutch cable. And it needs to go up to here. Where is it? Yeah, yeah, that little cylinder weight you can see right there. That traces back right there. That's the clutch cable. If anyone is wondering, this is my first time I ever done this, so bear with me. My hands are filthy, so I don't want to touch my phone too much, but this is the clutch cable. And it connects to this holder right here. And it goes up like that once it's installed. So I need to film this to see the route that I need to put the new one in. It looks like from under here, it runs back behind there. So I got cable lube, this little deal, which is my first time using it. It's a cable lubricator, I guess. I don't know if that was necessary, but the video I watched said it was, so there we are. This is the new clutch cable. The new cable was ran with the same route as the old one, new clutch cable. I got it coming back down here. It'll connect to this. You need to spray the cable lube in here and proceed to work the cable up and down. Like that. It's hard to do with one hand. Over and over until you see it coming down here. So, here we go. You see that drip? That is cable lubrication. That is what we want to see. Yes! Now I just got to connect this back onto here. Connect that onto that. And we'll be riding. It is super late, super dark. I worked on this thing way later than I wanted to. New perch is on. I don't know. Well, I have to adjust this still. So that'll, I think, finish up that adjustment. Doing all this, I noticed the front brake is shot. Oh my gosh. I mean, completely. Yeah, the front brake on this thing is shot too. Oh well, that's for another day. Anyway, I finished the clutch assembly. It feels nice. It feels amazing, actually. snag that thing back on once I have final adjustments made. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. Clutch cable replacement on a 2002 Honda XR. We did it. Snag that there. Boom. Good to go. And it wouldn't be right, even as dark as it is. It's 9 p.m. I got work tomorrow. Wouldn't be right to show y'all if we did it or not. We did it. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Danny Lombardo on YouTube, King Lombardo on Instagram, City of Palms Podcast on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you listen to podcasts. We're coming at you with new episodes every Monday. Thank you. Stay tuned.